Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Garden is My Passion. Friends, if you have such kinds of garden of roses and you have huge roses and enormous number of roses in your garden, and how to maintain, how to get hundreds and thousands of flowers around the year, I'll tell you the tricks and tips. First thing you have to do the debudding the roses, the spent flowers. You have to cut off the spent flowers, and here you can see the buds of the new stem will come out, and here I am showing you. But first thing you have to notice that the stem is very thin, so you have to cut at the thick portion, that is at least 3 to 5 leaves below the main portions. If you cut at the thick portion, then new branches will be thicker and the new buds and new flowers will be much stronger and very nice flowers. So here you can see I have the cut around at least 6 to 8 inch below, and from here new branches will come out, and after 10 to 15 days new buds will come out, and lots of flower with huge big sizes flowers you can get. This is the English roses here, and I tell you the what you have to do if the roses are heavy feeders and heavy drinker. So what you have to do, first you have to weed out, weeding proper. Our gardener is doing weeding work here, and if you do the weeding work properly, so that the nutrition do not go to the other weeds. So now after weeding out, what you have to do, you have to till the land at the basis of this roses, and you have to apply two kinds of fertilizer. I'll tell you, this is the cow dung compost, 2 years old cow dung compost, very nicely decomposed 2 years old cow dung compost. You have to apply 2 to 3 fistful in a garden, and this is the mixture fertilizer. I tell you can get it in nursery, bone meal, horn meal, stera meal, these kinds of things, super phosphates and some mustard cake and groundnut cake. These kinds of 7 to 8 things are there, and this mixture fertilizer available in nursery easily, 50 rupees only kilo. What you have to do, you have to till the land at the basis of this each plant. If this plant is in the garden, or if it is in pots also, you can do the same thing. And after tilling the land here, I will apply fertilizer 2 to 3 fistful of this decomposed cow dung compost here. And after applying it, you have to properly apply water here. And I tell you the roses needs lots of sunshine and lots of water. You can see after a proper watering, and you will see you don't have to apply more than fertilizer. And after 4 to 5 days, what you have to do, apply, this is a mixture fertilizer. You will apply around 1 to 2 fistful if plant is in garden, or if it is pot, you have to apply 1 fistful in each plant after every 10 days. If you apply these kinds of mixture fertilizer, and you will get enormous flowering and huge blooming in your roses. And I tell you, if you apply these two fertilizers round the year, you can get hundreds of flowers in roses. And up to April and May, I will show you that there are lots of flowers in my garden, and there won't be any of this shortage of flowers here. And now I tell you, if your blooming is not properly occurring, then you can apply one PGR. This is called HPM Super Sonata. This is a beautiful PGR. This contains lots of miticide, some insecticide, and some PGR. This plant growth hormone and plant growth promoter. This is Super Sonata. If you apply 2 ml per liter and you spray it once in 10 days, and you will see the enormous buds here, and big size of buds and big size of flowers will occur here every time you can get. So if you apply this in every 15 days, and there won't be any kind of shortage in your flowers, and around the year you can flower. This is the English rose, and I tell you, after pruning it properly, you see I am dividing it properly, removing the spent flower. And if this is the English big size flower, if you have some miniature roses also, you can do the same thing. And in miniature, the advantage is in every stem you can get 10 to 12 flowers, and I am removing the spent flowers here. And this is the miniature rose. They comes in 8 to 10 varieties. You can see in every bunch you can see 8 to 10 flowers, and if 10 to 15 branches are there, you can get 100 to 150 flowers all the time. And if you want another variety bigger size, you can check some Floribunda variety. That's also very nice, and you can check the Floribunda variety, and that will be very nice. So if you apply these kinds of fertilizer, and I tell you some of these things, if you apply all these tips, your flower will be very nice, and there won't be any shortage of flowers. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, you'll please like my video, please share my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.